A protective order has a lot to do with a family violence case, because I would say that probably almost 100% of all the family violence cases we get, there's a protective order attached to it that the officer has applied for. A lot of times the victim even will come in and say, I didn't tell them I wanted this, but the officer can ask for that protective order and get it granted themselves. Now, here's the thing about protective orders. If you're not supposed to be at a specific location around a specific person, it doesn't matter if that person calls you and says, I want you to come over here. It's okay. You can't, because it's still a violation of your protective order. And you gotta remember that. The best way to deal with that is to get a hold of an attorney who deals in this kind of stuff and has that knowledge of how to go back to the court and try to get a modification on your protective order to try to get things working a little bit